Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some new nail clips to share. This is a new company to me and it's Infilila, I believe, and it looks like they're doing their 2nd year anniversary. So this package came with a set of toe clips. There's 10 and they're rather wide, so hopefully they'll work for everyone. I'm not going to be demoing these today. I don't do toe stuff on my channel. But I am going to do the fingernail ones. Now this package also came with a whole huge package of these nail polish remover pads, and I thought these were going to be like the fuzzy ones I've had before, but they're not. So I've got my glove on my hand so I don't mess up this mani, but we're going to remove this one today. So let me get some of these little pads out. These are not fuzzy at all. They're pretty thick feeling, and we're going to give them a shot. So I'm only going to need 5 of them. Let's just go ahead and pull out what we need. And then we're going to set the rest to the side. And I'm only going to need 5 of these. I don't know how anybody would do. Now if you're doing a client, you can do all 10 of them. But I only use 5 at a time. So that's all we're going to break out today. Alright, I have my pump bottle, and this is an old one from Sonia. And I have put into it the nail polish remover that I get from Sally's, and it's the one that has the acetone with conditioners in it. I've labeled it on my bottle so I know what I'm messing with, and we're just going to get started. So I'm going to do the pump, and just pump's acting silly. And I'm going to fold this in half because my nails are not very long, so I can get away with folding it in half and putting the clips on. There we go, just like that, and they're fitting all nice and tight. Now my old ones I've been using for years and years and years. I got them off AliExpress or something, and I know they're not going to last forever. So, and now that I've got new ones, I can tell the difference. These are squeezing it much tighter and holding that nail polish remover pad closer to my nail. So you're just going to want to, and I remove, if I'm not using a peel-off base, I remove every manicure just like this. I always do it this way. To me it's just easier and less messy. Oh yes, so liking this. Nice tight fit. I'm going to fold that one before I liquefy it. Really hate to see this manicure go because I really loved it, but we are starting to get some tip wear, so it's time to do another one. For a new mani. And I love the purple color. I know my purple friends will like that, Randy and Jill and all of those ladies that love them some purple. Here we go. And I do kind of like to leave some excess and kind of wrap it around the end because I do cap my manicures, so I want to get that polish underneath too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these sit for about 5 to 7 minutes, probably closer to 7 because this is a really layered manicure. And I'll come back and show you the removal. Alrighty, it has been about 7 minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead and give these a try. You just pop it off, and I like to grab it and pull it straight down. And that pulls off most of it, and then I go back and go back over it. And like I said, this was a really thick manicure, so it is going to take a little bit of rubbing, not much though. There we go, looks pretty good. I really like these, the little cotton, I guess they're cotton. Really do like them though. They're not leaving any fuzzies all over the place. And if you decide, like you do these and, you take that first one off and you don't want to do any of this kind of scrubbing, you can like give it a few more minutes and come back and then, do your thing, do your removal. In fact, I'm going to let these sit for a couple more minutes and then we'll come back. Alrighty, I've let those sit for just a couple more minutes and we're just going to see how most of it comes off. I mean, really nice, and I love that. Instead of smearing it all around your nail, it's just, it comes sliding off. And if you do like grab it and pull it towards you, it really makes it less messy, like this. I normally try to push down real good with my thumb and pull it, and look, almost all of that one came off. And then I just kind of fold it over and get to the sides and go up underneath. And there we go. We're all ready for another manicure. Now, a tip for you ladies that don't like your room stinking. What I do after I do this with the gloves on, I hold everything in my hand, pull the glove off inside out, and tie a knot in it to throw it in the trash. That's just one of my little sneaky things. So, there you go. So, I'm really impressed with this, these products from Infilila. I really enjoyed these. These are really nice. I'm impressed because I got this huge pack of them. I don't even know how many of them's in there, but it's a bunch. It's a lot of them. So I will leave a link. I got this off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link for them down below if you're interested. I don't know if you can get them separately, if you can get the pads or the clippies or the toenail clippies. If I find anything out, I will leave it listed down below. But as far as I know, this came as a kit, and you know, it's a lovely gift, especially for those people in your life that love nail polish. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. And that is it for me today. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.